Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Mazda MX5 that we've done a Kenwood audio upgrade. This vehicle has got the Alpine system in there, which most of you will know if you've had it is a pretty poor system, unfortunately. I know it is an older system. What we've done is we've modernised this and we've fitted a Android Auto system in this vehicle and a reverse camera. So what I'll do is I'll jump in the vehicle now and show it you're all working. Okay, so we're now at the rear of the vehicle. I'm going to show you the reverse camera so you can see it fits up there, absolutely lovely. And then from the back of the vehicle, you can hardly see it at all. But I'll show you this inside the vehicle. You'll see the image it does. It gives a fantastic view. Right guys, so we're now inside the vehicle. The unit's not turned on at the minute, but you can see how well this finishes and fits in the dash. What we've also done is, again, if you've got one of these, you'll know about the USB stick that's in there. We've retained that, so that operates with the unit. And this also works with the steering wheel controls. So I'll power the unit up and show you you're all working. Right guys, so we're now all started up. I'm just going to turn the radio down so you can just hear me. So what this is a Kenwood DMX-8021DABS. As you can see now, it's displaying Android Auto, and this is a wireless Android system. So no need to plug it in. It could use the USB like I've shown you, and this will operate through the existing steering wheel controls. And I did talk to you,
then turn left.
it's just the navigation that's on this system. So we're now going to pop it into reverse, and this will show you the reverse signal or the reverse camera screen that's on there. So then as again, you can see how well that looks behind there, gives a fantastic image. And as you can perhaps hear, that also mutes the audio, and then we take it out of reverse, we're going to gain the navigation screen back. So I'm just going to go into the normal home menu. As you can see here, we've got DAB digital radio, USB, Android Auto on the phone. If we go to the screen, we've then got the main menu, which shows a normal radio, AV in, AV out, HDMI. So for further information on upgrading your system to add Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, please give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching.